Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve Wi-Fi issues you're experiencing on Windows 10. So this tutorial will apply for earlier versions of the Windows operating system as well, but since we're on Windows 10, I'm going to call it a Windows 10 tutorial. So if you go down to your system tray here and you notice your Ethernet or wireless icon has a red X over it, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump into it and start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time. You want to type in Device Manager here. Best match should come back with Device Manager right above Control Panel. Left click on that. So now that we are in the Device Manager, you want to expand the Network Adapter section either by double clicking on it or left clicking on the little arrow next to it. So the adapter listed in here, you want to right click on it. If it's currently disabled, you want to enable it by left clicking on Enable Device. So left click on Enable Device here. If it currently says Disabled Device, that means it's already enabled, so you don't have to do anything there. And you can see our red X has gone down in our system tray. So I would recommend restarting your computer and trying to navigate back over to the web so you were having issues with and see if that resolved the issue. Now if that did not, I'd recommend next opening up the Start menu again. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with Command Prompt right above Desktop App. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Now in our elevated command prompt, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. So again, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Exactly how it appears on my screen. Then you want to hit enter. Should come back with successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now that you've done that, you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Then you want to hit enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Recommend you heed that advice, so close out of any open programs or applications, restart your computer, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always guys, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.